Hi all, this is Mohit Tyagi. Here we will see how we will apply a criteria on a list in Python. So based on that criteria, we will keep the list element and also applying the same criteria to exclude elements in our existing list. So let me take a list. Right, so this is our list. If I will see, so this is our list. So my first query is I want to keep only elements which are divisible by 5. Suppose I am creating an empty list. So this is empty list where we will keep only those elements which are divisible by 5. And now we will use the for loop. For loop for I in list of m. Right. So what it is doing? So our for loop is traversing inside the each element of the list, and it is checking, like we are using if statement, it is checking whether elements are divisible by 5 or not. So I is divisible by 5, right? If it is true, then we will append all those elements within our empty list. We will use append and we will use I. So this is I. So we will append all the elements which are divisible by 5 inside our empty list, right? Which we defined. Enter. If I will print empty now and run this, so we will see we will have only those elements which are divisible by 5, right? So that's how we can achieve this. Now we will discuss the second thing, like how we will exclude all those elements which are divisible by 5. So to do that, we need to again use the for loop for I in list of m, right? We'll use the same criteria. If I is divisible by 5, if it is divisible by 5, then we will remove all those elements. Remove, right? So we want to remove all those elements from our m list, right? If I run this print of m, so we will see only those elements which are not divisible by 5, right? So it is excluding all those elements which are divisible by 5. So that's how we can apply this criteria, right? So that's how we can achieve this. So I will keep posting Python related queries further. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.